haven't vlogged in a while, and I just pulled this Yeti out to do some battery draining on it, because it's about time. It's been about 3 months since I got it. But when I was playing with it, this guy right here, I pushed the info button and somehow it's stuck. So I gotta figure out how to get that fixed, because I'm pretty sure it's out of warranty. And quite frankly, I don't really feel like dealing with sending it in and all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna try to fix it. So let's get after it. Okay, I'm not really sure how to get to it. Got a couple tools here. So I don't think that's gonna get it out. So I wonder if there's a way. These screws don't do anything. I think it just holds this plate in, because it was like that on this side when I put this charge controller in. So I'm thinking I probably need to take these guys off right here, and let's see what that does. Oh, I think that might lift it up. All right, so cool. Yeah, this thing lifts up now. Well, if you ever wonder what the inside of a Yeti looks like, it looks like that. That's why I bought one and did not build one. So this is the piece I need to get to right here. It is kind of hard to tell, but looks like it just kind of fell out of the track. See that right there? It's kind of hard to get good light on it. There you go. So hopefully I can just kind of push it back out and in, and maybe this will be an easy repair. In between these two little pieces, there's this little piece. I'm gonna try to solder it down and see if it'll kind of melt the plastic and see if that'll fix it for good. Okay, so lesson learned, don't push the buttons too hard. It's really easy to fix though if you have that issue. Don't send it in, because that'd be a waste of time and money in my opinion. Pretty poor design in my opinion. I think it probably could have been designed a little bit better, but I'm sure that was not on the top of their priority list. Lithium was probably on the top, and I appreciate that, Goal Zero. So anyways, if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.